When it comes to survival and self-defense, a reliable folding knife can be your most trusted companion. In Part 6 of our Ultimate Folding Knife series, we bring you 10 top-tier blades that blend compact carry with battlefield-level toughness. These knives are built to perform under pressure whether you're facing the great outdoors or an urban emergency. From lightning-fast deployment to razor-sharp precision, each folder on this list is ready for action when seconds count. If you're serious about your gear, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The Benchmade Auto Presidio 2 is a heavy-duty automatic folding knife crafted for tactical use. It boasts a 3.72-inch CPMM for steel blade hardened to 6:6 for HRC, with a drop-point shape and partially serrated edge perfect for cutting rope, slicing, or piercing tasks with ease. This rugged folder opens via the renowned auto-access mechanism, delivering reliable and ambidextrous one-handed deployment. The handle is precision machined from 6061 T6 aluminum anodized in either burnt bronze or sleek graphite black and features deep, machined grooves for improved grip and control. When fully deployed, the knife reaches 8.72 inches, closes down to 5.0 inches, and weighs in at 6.32 ounces, giving it a solid, balanced presence in hand or pocket. A reversible deep carry clip, ambidextrous safety switch, and included MAL-compatible sheath with malice clip round out its practical tactical features. Built in the USA and backed by Benchmade's Life-Sharp service, the Auto Presidio 2 is a commanding tool for serious operators. The Off-Grid Knives Baby Rhino is a compact yet rugged folding knife built for demanding EDC, tactical, and survival use. Featuring a 2.45-inch Sandvik 14C28 blade with a blackwash DLC finish, it offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and field-ready toughness right out of the box. With a trusted 1.5 steel option available in Blackout models, hardened to around 61 HRC, the V2 delivers superb cutting power and durability. The full tang blade deploys smoothly via ceramic ball bearing flipper and locks securely via a liner lock mechanism. The textured G10 handle provides a solid grip, even in wet or gloved hands, while the deep carry clip and ambidextrous design make it ideal for discreet carry. Weighing about 6.8 ounces, it feels substantial yet surprisingly well balanced for its size. As a compact powerhouse, the Baby Rhino V2 excels in versatility and price to performance, making it an excellent choice for adventurers and tactical users seeking a rugged EDC companion. The Knife Banter is a minimalist yet capable folding knife, designed by Ben Peterson for daily carry with a focus on simplicity and quality. It features a 2.9-inch CPMS 35VN drop-point blade with a flat grind and stone-washed finish, offering excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and smooth slicing performance. With a total length of 6.52 inches, it's compact enough to disappear in your pocket and weighs just 2.86 ounces for lightweight comfort. The Banter uses a caged ceramic ball bearing pivot combined with titanium thumb studs for ultra-smooth one-handed deployment, locking securely via a stainless steel liner lock. Its G10 handle scales provide a secure grip, and its tip-up stainless steel clip offers discreet carry. Praised as a straightforward, reliable EDC knife, the Banter is especially valued for its clean design, dependable action, and outstanding build quality, all under $110. Reviewers call it boring in the best way for a knife that simply performs without fuss. The Spyderco Military model is a legendary folding knife originally designed for U.S. military use and now celebrated as a quintessential tactical utility blade. It features a 4.0-inch CPMS 3 OV stainless steel blade with a full flat grind for excellent edge geometry and slicing performance. The handle is made from textured G10 scales over nested stainless steel liners, creating a slim yet solid open-backed frame lock structure. At 9.51 inches overall, it weighs just 4.3 to 4.5 ounces, balancing reach with all-day carry comfort. The signature Spyderco trademark round hole enables ambidextrous, one-handed deployment, even with gloves. Made in the USA, the Spyderco Military delivers rugged build quality, refined ergonomics, and trusted durability, making it a top-tier choice for self-defense, tactical use, and everyday reliability. The Cold Steel Recon M1 MagnaCut is a hard-use tactical folder that pushes Cold Steel's legacy into the next generation. Built with a 4.0-inch CPM MagnaCut stainless steel clip-point blade, it delivers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness thanks to its fine-grained structure and factory hardening. Crafted with a black stone-washed finish and ergonomic G10 handle scales, the Recon M1 offers superb grip and control in wet or tactical environments. Its patented Triad or Atlas lock mechanism provides elite-level safety and resistance against blade failure, offering fixed blade strength in a folder. With an overall length of 9.375 inch, weighing about 5.2 ounces, and featuring ambidextrous thumb studs plus tip-up pocket clip, it's built for fast deployment and concealed carry. Made in Italy, this is the first cold steel folder released with high-performance MagnaCut steel, and reviewers are calling it a standout in tactical EDC performance. The SOG Adventurer LB Blackout is an ultralight EDC workhorse built for simplicity and reliability. Sporting a 3.0-inch 5C or 15 MOV stainless steel blade with a black titanium nitride coating, it resists corrosion while maintaining ease of sharpening and respectable edge retention. At just 7.5 inches overall and weighing a feather light to 0.1 ounces, this lockback folder disappears in the pocket. The classic lockback mechanism ensures strong, dependable lockup, even during heavy carry. Its handle features rugged black glass-filled nylon scales that offer grippy durability without added weight. A lightweight, reversible tip-up pocket clip rounds out the minimalist design with easy access and ambidextrous carry. Ideal for everyday tasks from opening packages to light outdoor utility, the Adventurer LB delivers exceptional value and performance at an unbeatable price point. Lightweight, durable, and effective, it's perfect for those seeking uncompromising utility on a budget. The Kizer Tomb is a standout EDC folding knife with a bold, coffin-shaped design and next-level performance. Designed by Bradley Dias, it features a 3-point to 1-inch drop-point blade made from Nitro V steel, hardened to about 60 to 62 HRC, delivering sharpness, edge durability, and rust resistance in one tidy package. This compact folder measures 7.62 inches overall, weighing just 3.0 ounces, making it incredibly carry-friendly. The skeletonized liners peek through a striking coffin-shaped aluminum or macaroni wood handle, offering lightweight strength and unique visual appeal. Opening is smooth via a front flipper, and the secure button lock both ensures reliable function and easy one-handed operation. Comfort and grip are enhanced by generous jimping and a large finger choil that delivers precise control. An everyday EDC with character and performance, the Kizer Tomb combines refined engineering and standout aesthetics at an accessible price point. The Off-Grid Knives Mamba V3 is a robust and precision-engineered folding knife designed for both everyday carry and demanding tasks. It features a 4-inch clip-point blade crafted from CPM MagnaCut steel, renowned for its exceptional edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. The blade is finished with a rugged black wash coating, enhancing durability and providing a sleek, stealthy appearance. The handle is constructed from titanium, offering a secure and comfortable grip. Equipped with caged ceramic ball bearings, the Mamba V3 ensures exceptionally smooth and fast blade deployment via flipper tab, complemented by jimping for enhanced control. The knife also features a titanium deep carry pocket clip with countersunk screws, allowing for discreet and secure carry. Designed with input from off-grid customers, the Mamba V3 incorporates thoughtful enhancements, making it a reliable companion for both tactical situations and everyday use. The CRKT M211 for SFG is a combat-ready folding knife engineered for tactical efficiency and high-stress situations. Designed by legendary knifemaker Kit Carson, this knife features a 3.99-inch US 8 stainless steel blade with a durable titanium nitride coating that resists corrosion and minimizes glare. The blade's deep-bellied spear point design is optimized for both slicing and piercing, while VEF serrations make short work of ropes, webbing, and other tough materials. Dual thumb studs and the Carson flipper ensure rapid, ambidextrous deployment, while the Autolock safety system transforms the liner lock into a virtual fixed blade for added security. The aggressively textured G10 handles offer a sure grip even in wet or gloved hands. With a 4-position pocket clip, it adapts easily to your carry preferences. Whether you're in the field, on duty, or preparing for the unexpected, the M2114 SFG brings tactical reliability and cutting power right to your pocket. The Zero Tolerance 0350TS is a rugged, no-nonsense folding knife built for serious tasks and demanding users. Featuring a 3-point to 5-inch S3OV stainless steel blade, it delivers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting performance. The blade's tiger-striped tungsten DLC coating not only adds a stealthy, aggressive look, but also boosts durability and wear resistance. Thanks to the SpeedSafe assisted opening system, deployment is fast and smooth with just a push on the flipper or thumb stud. The Black G10 handle scales provide a secure, slip-free grip, even in wet or gloved conditions. A robust liner lock ensures confident blade lockup, while the quad-mount pocket clip allows for multiple carry options. Compact enough for everyday carry, yet tough enough for tactical use, the 0350TS strikes a perfect balance between strength, speed, and style. It's a dependable choice for anyone who values performance without compromise.